4-bar support system parts list. 4 3-piece bars and 2 tie rod bars. 12 threaded feet and nylon inserts with large 3/8 flange nuts. 12 extension tubes, but only for taller models. 8 medium carriage bolts and flange nuts. 4 small flat top bolts and flange nuts. 8 wood screws. 8 large washers. 8 small washers. 1 instruction and tool. To start, lay out your unassembled pieces inside the bed like this. When putting your 3-piece bars together, use a medium carriage bolt through the rectangular slot on the center bar, and that will come out the back side of the outer bar, and there will be a corresponding hole. Put a nut on the back finger tight, and repeat on the other side of this bar and then the remaining 3 bars. Alright, with your 4 bars put together upside down now, making sure that the bolts are just finger tight at this stage. You'll want to leave them upside down. It is still easiest to assemble upside down at this stage. The next step will be installing the tie rod bar. Insert a small bolt through the top of the 3-piece bar through the slot on the tie rod bar, then put a nut on finger tight and repeat for the remaining 3 connection points. Everything should look like this now, all loosely put together so far. For shorter beds, use nylon inserts. They are a snug fit and may require a few taps from a rubber mallet to fully insert. Extension tubes are only included for taller models. Use those instead of nylon inserts if you have a taller bed. They may require a few taps from a rubber mallet to fully install. Make sure interior of bed is clear and wooden lip is present and intact, then flip and lay supports in bed and spread bars to maximum allowable width. Spread bars and tighten tie rod bar bolts as seen here. This keeps bars parallel and locked at fixed distance. The next step is to attach the bars to the wooden lip. When attaching the bars, you'll want to put a large washer underneath the bar. This will level the bar due to the notch section not being perfectly level for strength. After that, you'll put the bar, then a small washer, and then a wood screw. For best results, drill a pilot hole for each screw and do not over tighten or strip the screw holes. Time to tighten up the medium bolts on the support bars to make the bars rigid. Check to ensure supports no longer move after tightening. Lastly, you will want to adjust the feet firmly to the floor without over adjusting and lifting the bed or side rails. Then adjust the large flange nut up tightly against the nylon insert or extension tube, depending which you use. Repeat this on the remaining 11 legs, using legs to level the bars and eliminate any sag that remains from assembly. Good job! You have successfully installed your heavy-duty 4-bar support system. Sleep well and be sure to contact us if you have any questions.